Hello, everyone. I am Yelizaveta, and I welcome you to day 3 of our 30-day challenge for better balance. Like the last 2 days, we're going to start in a chair. So go ahead and have a seat at the edge of the chair and find your what I call neutral pelvis, which is the alignment that you would have when your sit bones are grounding into the chair. So to find that, you can roll your pelvis forward and back and feel where is it that you feel right on top of your sit bones. Once you find that, let's go ahead and find our core. So bring your hands to the area just below your belly button and lean back until you feel the engagement of all of these muscles right here as you're pressing. It should be feeling like it's nice and taut. So feeling that engagement, let's just hold it for a couple of breaths and then coming up on top of the sit bones and just lean forward for a moment the way we would do if we were to get up and coming back up to sit bones and leaning back. Once again, giving yourself that palpable feeling of your core being engaged. And then you can relax your hands, come up on top of the sit bones, and lean forward one more time. And last time, coming up onto the sit bones, this time close your eyes and imagine that you have that glowing orb right where your belly button is. And as you lean back, imagine that that orb gets brighter. And from that orb, there are all these connections extending, these elastic bands connecting to the inner thighs, inner ankles, inner elbows, and inner wrists. So everything is being held to the center. Good. Go ahead and come up onto your sit bones again and open your eyes. Now, from here, what we're going to do is reach the arms up and then lean back. Good. Now, from here, lean forward and we're going to prepare to stand up. So notice right now with where your feet are, you might not be able to get up here. So you have to adjust the positioning of your feet. So walk your feet back behind the knees, and there should be a moment where you feel, yes, I can transfer my weight into my legs, and then slowly coming up. When you come up, you should end up to the front of your feet. So the heels are very light and you can peel them off the ground. Come up onto the tippy toes here. And let's hold this. Make sure your knees are not locked. You can also kind of bob a little bit up and down, and that will relax any unnecessary tension. Good. And from here, go ahead and bend the knees. Keep the heels off the ground. And then release the heels to the floor and go back to the chair. Sitting back up on top of the sit bones. Exhale, release your arms. Shoulder rolls a couple of times one way. And then a couple times the other way. Good. Very nice. Let's go ahead and reach up through the arms, lean back, engage through the core. From here, keep looking straight ahead and extend your arms to the side as you turn to the right. Like yesterday, make sure that right now you are balanced on both sit bones evenly, so you haven't shifted weight. Only turn as much as you can feel that sensation. Keep looking straight ahead. Release the arms down. Then turn to the other side and bring up the right arm in front, left arm back. Good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, turn to the right. Left arm comes forward, right arm back. And release the arms. And right arm goes up, left arm back. And come back to center. Use your core muscles to pull yourself up onto your sit bones. And exhale, release the arms. Now, inhale, reach the arms up. Lean back. Keep looking straight ahead. Turn your dissociation to the right, so the twist to the right. Left arm is facing forward. Lean forward. Put your weight into your legs and slowly begin to rise. Once you come up, your weight should be to the front of the feet. Keep your knees soft. Peel the heels off the ground. Keep looking forward. And make sure that left hip is not coming forward. It wants to usually come forward with the twist. From here, we're going to release the arms down and center the chest forward, and then dissociate to the left or twist to the left. Right arm is coming forward now. From here, bend the knees, release the heels, and go back to the chair. Lean back, you're still twisting over to the left. Reach the arms up, center, come up onto the sit bones, and release the arms. Couple of shoulder rolls. Anytime you feel extra tension around the shoulders through these exercises, just give yourself a couple of rolls to release that tension. All right, let's repeat that whole sequence. We're going to start by twisting to the left this time. So reaching the arms up, lean back, engage to the core. From here, we're going to release the arms, right arm forward, left arm back. You're twisting to the left and you're looking straight ahead. From here, leaning forward, put your weight into the legs and slowly begin to come up. Finding your balance on the front of the feet in the ball mound, bring the heels off the ground. Keep the knees soft. Remember, you can always take a few bounces to make sure you're not locking in your joints. Looking straight ahead, we're going to go ahead and release the arms down and then turn to the right, lifting the arms the opposite way, so left arm forward. Breathe here. Watch that the hips stay facing forward. Then bend the knees. Release the heels. Go back to the chair slowly. And reaching back. Hold here. Come up to center. And lifting up on top of the sit bones. And release the arms. So this next part, we're going to engage our gaze. So let's reach the arms up and lean back. Now from here, as you turn to the right and extend your arms, you're going to also look to the right. So feel that sensation and notice right now that you're still even in your sit bones. So you shouldn't feel that you've shifted your weight to one side or the other. Good. Release the arms down and then turn the other way with your head following the twist. So now you're looking to the left and feel, register that you're even in your sit bones. Then from here, come up, center, and come up on top of the sit bones and release. Good. Let's do that one more time, and then we're going to apply it to our standing sequence. Reach the arms up, lean back, turn to the left, gaze to the left, release the arms, center, turn to the right, gaze to the right, left arm is forward, balancing on both sit bones evenly. Come up to center, come up onto the sit bones, and exhale, release. Inhale, reach the arms up, and lean back. From here, turn to the right, gaze to the right. Lean forward, keep looking to the right. Find your weight in your feet, in your legs. Transfer weight. Begin to come up. Once you're up, come up onto the ball mound, heels off the ground. Hold here. Then from there, reaching the arms down, turn your chest over to the left, and your gaze follows. Arms reach out, right arm forward. Bend the knees, release the heels, and going back to the chair. Leaning back for a moment. Come up through the arms, center the chest. Come up on top of the sit bones and exhale, release. Nice. Let's do that one more time. Reaching up through the arms, leaning back, turning to your left, gaze to the left. Feel balanced and even in your sit bones. Reaching forward. Find your weight in your legs, transfer, and going up. Once you're up, lift the heels off the ground. Keep your knees soft. Keep your core engaged. Remember the orb that's helping support. And we're going to come up through the arms and center the chest. Turn to your right. Gaze to the right. Left arm forward, right arm back. Hold here. Then bend the knees. Heels release. And going back to the chair. Lean back. Release the arms down. Center. Come up onto the sit bones. Place your feet a little bit more in front of the knees. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, folding forward. Take a couple of breaths here. And pressing up to sit, unwinding the spine. Well done. And that completes day 3 exercises of our 30-day challenge for better balance. My suggestion is once again to continue to practice imagining that glowing orb that's extending to all of your limbs, and see if you can do this exercise a couple of times throughout the day and testing your balance in different ways. If you feel like this exercise is getting to be more familiar and easy to you, try it with your eyes closed. That's always a really great game changer. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Until then, have a great day.